My name is Katelyn Downey, and I am currently a student at Thiel College, taking a course entitled Integrated Instructional Systems. I will be teaching a standards-based lesson in math based on PA academic standards, and I will be incorporating technology into my lesson. I hope you enjoy this video sample of my teaching.
All right, good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Downey.
Today we're going to be taking the equation solving that we learned and the symbols of inequalities. We'll be combining them. So first we're just going to start with two starter problems. You guys can do those in pairs. All right, so what's the opposite of addition?
Subtraction.
Right, so we want to subtract that 5. Remember that?
Yeah.
Great job. All right, everyone got answers? We're going to go over those using your clickers. So for the first one was x plus 4 equals 8. All right, great job, everyone. Everyone got 4, that's right. Let's check our next one. Second one's 3 equals x plus 5. All right, so almost everyone has x equals -2. Now one person, maybe two, has x equals 2. Whoever got x equals -2, does someone want to explain what they did? Nick?
I took the 5, because it's plus 5 on the one side, so you have to subtract 5 from both sides, and 3 minus 5 is -2.
Very good. So today we're going to start solving inequalities. So just like we did solving equations, now we're just going to use the symbols that we had learned, the less than or equal to, those things. We're going to take those, we're going to just put those right in the equation. So solving an inequality is the same as solving an equation. So Kennedy, what do you think the first thing we're going to do on this one is?
Subtract 18.
Good, yeah, just like we did for the equations, we're going to do the opposite. So our answer is n is greater than or equal to 1. Now we did a few days ago, we did the graphing with the inequalities. We're going to do the same thing here. Just got to start our number line, put that in the middle, go one more, one less. All right, does everyone remember if it's going to be an open or a closed circle on this? Alan?
Closed.
Closed, why?
There's a line of it.
Right, so if there's an equal to, greater than, or equal to, we have to close this circle. Now, n is greater than. Are we going to shade to the right or to the left?
Right.
Right, good, because it's greater than. So then we want to do our check. So we take a 2. This is part of our part that we shaded. We take 2. Now we plug it into our original equation. So 2 plus 18 is 20. Is 20 greater than or equal to 19? Right, good. So we did it right. That's how you can check those and make sure you're right. Okay, so on our next one, an important note that we want to put in our notes, we want to read our answer from the variable. You'll see that in our next example, why that's going to be important. So go ahead and note that in your notes. So our first step is going to be then to subtract 14. So this one's kind of different because in this example, our x was on this left, so it was easy. You started from the x, just read it across. However, in this one, our y is on the opposite side. So we have to read it backwards. Start from the variable, y is less than -40. This is going to be important because when we're doing our graph, we have -40. Our first instinct is -40, and it's going to be, you're looking at it and you're thinking greater than. So you're thinking you're going to shade to the right. However, y is less than, so we want to shade to the left. Now is this one going to be open or closed?
Open. Open.
Good. And we're going to be shading this way. So I have one for you guys to do in pairs. And you're gonna use clickers when you're done. First, go ahead and do it, and then I'll put the answers up for you. Good, you guys did really good on this one. So we had something similar to, actually 26 was it, right? 26 plus x is less than or equal to 55. that what everyone had? Thumbs up? Good. I just have one prompt for you guys to finish this lesson. I'm going to have you write 2-minute write on how you set this equation up. So I'm going to give you 2 sentence starters, or maybe 3 sentence starters that can help you out if you're not exactly sure where to start, but just write out a quick 2-minute write of how you started this equation, or started solving it, how you set it up, what you did to solve, and I'm going to have you guys turn these in on the way out. So those are just 2 quick sentence starters if you need help. If you don't, if you'd rather write them a different way and you're comfortable, you don't have to use them, but those are to help you out in case you need, if you're not exactly sure where to start with your explanation. So good job today, guys, and on your way out, just go ahead and turn those in.